Hey everyone, how are you guys? I wanted to show you guys the newest fat quarter packs that are added to my Etsy shop. I've been slowly adding some fabrics and stuff. You guys will be seeing that more and more as I go along here. I'm pretty low on fabrics and I used to have so much, hundreds upon hundreds of fabrics, and I'm pretty low, guys. So I'm going to be slowly adding those. These here are fat quarter packs, and for those who don't know what a fat quarter is, a fat quarter piece of fabric is 18" by 22". What it is someone takes a half a yard of fabric, cut it in half twice, and in each pack is pretty much 2 yards of fabric, but it is 8 fat quarters. And what I do is I add a color selection that matches all the different prints to that main print. So you have 2 of each kind of fabric in each pack. So pretty much a half yard, you know, per print kind of thing. So I'm going to open up these here in a second, but these here are in the Etsy shop. They are $12, but it's nearly a pound of fabric. And each one is, like I said, I did a selection of colors. Look at that cute. And this is one of my favorites, to where it all matches the entire set that you got going on here. And just a beautiful fabric bundle that is just gorgeous. So let me open up these. I have a variety of types here. Like I said, there'll be more and more added as we go along. I'm just going to go in the stack here, and a couple of these, like these two, have a bonus piece in them, like this butterfly one and the flower one. Just wait to see what's inside these. I guess I'll start with those first, even though these two are definitely my favorites. I love the colors in them and stuff. I'm just going to stack these guys here for now. And maybe I'm here to help you guys with some of your projects here, which is a great set of fabrics. And an 18" by 22" piece of fabric is a whole lot of fabric. And especially for your covers or your projects, or hey, if you're going to make a quilt out of these. But just wait until you see this set here. These are already in the Etsy shop. This is folded in half. Let me move this over here. And hopefully we can get through this whole thing. I won't open up them all, but I'll try my best. But look how large this piece is. 18 by 22, and you get 2 of them, 2 cuts of that. Isn't that cool? In these packs, each pack is going to get 2 blocks that are, I think, 8" by 8" of these butterflies, which is so cool, which matches it very, very well. And the rest is the same thing. You'll get 2 of these, which matches very well with these. I'll open it up for you. I can always fold these back up later. But isn't that lovely? Just gorgeous. And then you'll get 2 of this print here, which I can hold it up for you. It has like words in it, and it has the same flower scheme. Kind of see what I mean. It says Flower Garden. And then you'll get 2 cuts of this beautiful purple. It just all goes so very well together. Hope the lighting is good. So there you guys have it. It's a whole lot of fabric all put together in a pattern that is just, it's all beautiful. I mean, I love the butterflies. So like I said, 12 bucks, you get all that fabric. And I'll put that one aside, and I'm just going to flip through the other ones, same thing. So the other pack is the same theme as the butterfly one, but it's in flowers, and you get those 2 blocks. The other packs don't have that. That just came in a panel that matched these so very well. Each pack is going to be tied with a beautiful fabric like this. You have like a little bow worth of fabric, which is really cool. This is the main print, but you just can't go wrong at all. I'll just open the first main print. Like I said earlier, you get 2 cuts of each print. And then you get 2 flowers. Look at that. Square blocks. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, it's great for so many different kinds of projects. I mean, just gorgeous. And then you'll get 2 of these. Put it right there to show you. You'll get 2 of this. Let's do that like that. You can kind of see the print. And then you get two of the, it's like a slight color of like a Martha Stewart green, I call it. It's in the backdrop of this. Of course, you got this print already, which is the background. Here's that gray. Here's that other. They're all 18 by 22 inches. And look at, you get this whole set like that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'll fold that one. Let's grab the next one. I'm going to go rather quick for the rest so you guys have an idea. This one is one of my favorites. I don't know why. It just kind of catches my eye. And again, it's 8 fat quarters. But look how gorgeous this is. I don't know. There's just something pretty about it that it just catches my eye. I can kind of give you guys a close-up on the print here in a second. Isn't that pretty? And then you got the other ones like that, the birds. So you'll have 2 cuts of that. And then you have 2 of this. Look how pretty that is. Doesn't it look good with that blue? I'll just go ahead and put that one right there. You'll get 2 cuts of this. Look how pretty. And then you got this baby blue color and white, like little ferns. Like here's, you've seen this one already, so you kind of have an idea. The same scheme, just all that extra fabric. Plenty to work with for quilting, for doing covers, what have you. Let's go to the next one. Fold that over and deal with that later. This one is beautiful, bold paisleys and flowers. You'll see, it is so bright. Let me show you here. First color you get is this paisley, yellows, blues, and creams. Look how bold and beautiful that is. And then you'll get this beautiful yellow fabric. Look how pretty. That reminds you of like the sunshine. Get the pretty blues. Doesn't it go so well together? I kind of just did the thinking part for you for quilting, or like you said, the covers for your junk journal covers. But look at all that fabric. Again, they're not opened up. I haven't folded, but isn't that beautiful? Let's go to the next one. The next one's kind of cottage chic-y or shabby chic, or whatever you want to call it. It definitely screams the girl. It's just pretty. Isn't that adorable? And I'll give you a close-up on the flowers here in a second. Isn't that pretty? So the first color you're going to see is this beautiful pink. Of course, it's got like the leaves. What's girl without polka dots? Got the greens. Doesn't it just pop out? I'm loving it. Of course, we have that print. We got the pink again. Of course, the polka dots. And then the green. Isn't that beautiful? Can't beat it for $12. It's a whole lot of fabric, guys. And it's already put together for you in a cute little fashion. All right, the next one here is a garden theme. Very sweet. If I would think of a color, I would think sage. And it says Garden Friends. Isn't that pretty? A beautiful novelty print, but look how pretty. What I love about this is going to have some like newspaper print and writing in here as well. Let me open this up for you guys. This one has like sparrows. Reminds me of sparrows all throughout. It's just absolutely lovely. And I'm going to get a close-up for you here. You can kind of have an idea. Is that a sparrow? I think it is. Then it says Garden Friends. So then you got the letter print like this. It says Hope, Home, Hope, Home, Love. Isn't that pretty? And then you get the cute leaves. Had to put leaves in this print. It totally remind me of the leaves. But look at this newspaper print. It's like a creamy. Isn't that pretty? And then, of course, we got the birds. I have these all pressed and ready to go for you guys. But isn't it just all goes so well together. I think would look really cool. See the chenille I have in the background? It'd be cool if you had some creamy chenille and then you made squares or something with this, and you can make that into a lap quilt. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's that one. The last one I have is a patriotic novelty print. I had bought bolts of them, so they're always going to be in my shop. I have them in fabric yardage and fat quarter packs, like I'm going to show you here in a second. I just got a great discount on them because of the holidays just went by, and I have not cut this pack. What I do is when I make these packs, instead of cutting them in all those fat quarters, I just keep it one length. Some people like that. Some packs, they'll all be cut, but I just kept them in one length. So I'll show you this. So there's really gonna be 8 of these prints, but I'm just gonna show you 4 of them, kind of thing. If that made any sense. It's so cute, but I mean, there's so much you can use with this. It's a lot. Like I said, it's 2 yards of fabric, and there'll be 2 prints of this, but look at this pinwheel. See, this is a ½ yard of fabric, and what I would have done at the other packs, I would have cut that right there, and you had 2 pieces, but instead, I kept it one whole long length, if you know what I mean. So, you got the cute pinwheels. Isn't that gorgeous? You cannot go wrong with pinwheels. And then we got the stars. Look at this. I could totally see a retro birthday, even though it's patriotic. And then this here. So there's gonna be 4 of these cuts, but these are all, like I said, kept in one length. And isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I have plenty of these. I also have each one of these prints in fabric yardage in the Etsy shop. So there you guys have it. Those are the packs I've cut so far. There will be more as time goes on. So please check out what's new in the Etsy shop. Fabric is something I am truly stocking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.